Igbo na mana ege mente ekene kwa mu nunu na afọ ya no ka ngopụtali unu nke so bunu na afọ ya nke so bunu na afọ ya asege pandemonium as hoodlum attack Unizik students. Pandemonium at University Nnamdi Azikwe University as an attack on Unizik students by suspected herdsmen leaves several injured with one student losing fingers. Ona kwa tomamu there are so many times in Bedagome video. Send by let us put into eyes na security. I am not into security. My duty begin for me. See something, say something. If in here, we are consider. For the nation of the hair meron because I couldn't have a video. Video enough on about one you do see on now. Because now again, the video the two imago onwe some things in there. Ona ga abụrụ m ihe iwe na ihe nwute that na mpụta na asị mmadụ na this is what is ongoing, this is what is unfolding. Let us put heads together. Malika is to send the message or share the video to the relevant authorities. Ofufuli apụta na asị gị na ọmammenwu. Go and read your history. Ufodo gine nature video nsigi go and read your history. I'm na that one with the most simplest thing. A lot of us the too lazy, many of us the too lazy iwe phone na check keni here. Google is more rampant na check here. Obuna Google ade nyege iba AI. Iba Gemini AI. Nyege or iba group. So all those things again enlighten you to let you know what some of the things in them and some of the things now unfold. It will never be possible. It will never be possible. I know in between ogo. Ndekwe mandekwe na. Check history. Kefo kanda nwa say invade obodo. Wolu phone gicheke. Since 2005. Since 2005, check kanda say obodo invade obodo. Ha na-ebu ụzọ aba na school. So when for this thing and back I'm watching it because some will tell this news without backup video. I say video kwana ipos when you man what will I say about this one? Kihayo kumakia. Mosa can with a video about Kaswe Abia State and I called on so many attentions. The response in the comment section is encouraging. It's encouraging. It shows that people are beginning to understand the anonymia. Anonymia, I know in between two words. Equero, equetelege. Or anonymia ketana Nigeria say home. Government had already been a madaka. Government had already been a madaka. And will offer fully funchi one. And I'm also saying this thing now. I name a video do okay, obune where him you could see the poor. Sinye Biafra, siwete Biafra. Ebu oziande mmadụ before Biafra wanna Biafra ya bịa na empty land. Ebete na asị sinye Biafra siwete bịa. Sikugodo okwu nke anyị nọ na face. Oho ndị dị ndụ gba face. Oho onye dị ndụ gba face. Oho ndị Igbo na-asị neta ahapụ ndụ chụba akụ onye ilu elie. Ahapụ ndụ chụba akụ onye ilu elie. So ị na-asị nwete Biafra si kwuo okwu Biafra si mee nka ekwu okwu problem. That's one of the things na agbakasị ma ekwu problem. Asị gị na-eji Maazị Nnamdi Kanu chọọ cash out na ọkịta akụ unu tete n'ụla kene kpede ikwu okwu asị gị hey ịhapụ ihe na-eme na Nigeria na-ekwu ihe ọzọ na-eme nke na-agbasara unu ndị chọọchị ndị nke anụ iwetekwa the video ewete ha sị gị no AI. That no bother. I've said it countlessly. Nnamdi Kanu kugidele okwu kwuchi okwu ba n'ime, we give him all the credit. Mana ifozi ndị ọzọ na-follow kwa that full step to egene ikwu okwu na-eme ihe dia. If they say Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have said it before. Okay, that he has said it before. What did you now do about it? Oyikwucha before ka hapụzi and forget ya na-ekwubuga before. Let there be a constant reminder, constant rebranding, constant yes na ekwubiga before on a make it and people are still talking about it. but ị na-asị m na ụdị ihe anụ ama mmenwu. It's your duty. Ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye okwu na-elu n'ọnụ, okay, this kind of thing emego na enekwa news mfọ ewele ya share ya, okay, ka ebe dịtị na echi follow the news up, okay, enweta ebe dịtị na ma ejeje mara ka esi takụlụ adị okwu. Ọ bụrụ na agbaghalaghala today, I've said it countlessly, ịnọlụ every any day ịnọgide n'ugbi m na Lagos, kpọrọ ndị begin na assistance na that is the only place now jinda. Ya ha na-eme na akwara nke anụ is to show you that no nwere ebe ha ya ha abanwu. Onye ha na-egosi gị is to show you that no nwere ebe ha chọrọ ebe ha ya ma mbanwu. Automatically now I had to go surrounded. Abuja has been run over. Abuja ndị anụ everywhere do go rounded up. Nwete video mbosa na-ekwu okwu maka Muslim ihe dị ndị na convert ndị ba to Muslim. What other way do they need? Convert these people to Muslim. Send them some people. To guide them. From there, you import more people there. From there, you run them over. Make sure that an convert. That is just the simple mathematics. Simple mathematics. Mother, but I asked him no man walk on. Jenny video I started but he made it categorically clear that there were so many Igbo Muslims, both in Port Harcourt, in Enugu, in Imo State. Don't worry much of that video with much of that video with you. Kono fear. He even said it in his mouth. Utomu Jeliji de Koji Kuya. You can ask na started but yes, I'm his history within the Igbo. Man, there are some things some mother that you cannot overlook. Oh, you see how Keisha Makan said. Now, Kita Habago school, Kita Bido Pasaba Umazi school on Ganga. Very soon, they know Tobago students because on our case, I'm going to go and check your history. How you booze of your well student where may head hammer. How to get a student to boogie. By then, I'm by we more here. About we more and all farmers. Then you will now be scared of coming to the bush. I escalate is your one more here because people are now scared of coming to the bush. I escalate is your one but I was any moon that they put you there because I'm an old judge gision on your moon. But I was any moon baby. It's happening everywhere. Mother Nature educating the Bible. I know some people are not making the everything here phone is not your pattern of Ige news. You work out from there. If you can't your pattern Ige, instead of if you can borrow your pattern, you talk down against it. You talk all down against it because nature is go borrow your line. You talk all down against so that on yours but I feel that no one made the video na yala. I go mono. I'm going to when I go mia. If they burn you well, go that rubbish again. Blocking. I've said it. I've said it severally.